Hello, I am Rishi Kataria from Eicher Trucks and Buses. In the era of BS6, Eicher is setting yet another benchmark in the Indian commercial vehicle industry with the introduction of a revolutionary solution known as EU-Tech 6. EU-Tech 6 is a combination of global technology with innovative support solutions. Eicher has an experience of supplying more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engines to the Volvo Group, which are successfully operating in across 41 countries around the globe. The transportation industry is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of higher fuel efficiency, higher uptime, more productivity, faster turnaround time, and driver safety and comfort. In order to cater to all these requirements, we are bringing the new revamped and more powerful Eicher Pro 6046, which is a 45.5 ton GCW tractor. It is based on the philosophy of profitable for life, and it is designed to cater to different segments like cement, market load, tanker, ISO container, iron and steel, and surface mineral transportation. The Eicher Pro 6046 tractor is available in a wheelbase of 3200 mm. हम माइलेज के बादशाह थे, माइलेज के बादशाह हैं और माइलेज के बादशाह रहेंगे. With our commitment to maintaining our leadership position in fuel efficiency, Pro 6046 delivers up to 7% higher fuel efficiency in its product category. This is achieved through VBX8 6-cylinder engine, which is clubbed with Volvo Group's engine management system and a vanadium-based compact box-type piece. It delivers a maximum power of 260 horsepower at a lower RPM of 2200 RPM. Also, it delivers a peak torque of 1000 Nm, which is a flat torque which is delivered at a wider RPM range. Pro 6046 comes with intelligent features such as fuel coaching, which delivers real-time driving guidance, and M-Booster Plus, which optimizes acceleration in order to maximize fuel efficiency. Further, energy-saving components such as ESS compressor and viscotronic fan reduces parasitic and mechanical losses. Eicher Pro 6046 is developed to deliver more trips, making extra miles, with robust, rigorously tested and optimized driveline, which enables higher load carrying ability because of its higher power to weight ratio. This leads to extra productivity. Also, ET140 9-speed transmission with quick gear shifts, also minimal RPM and torque disruptions, ensures better pickup. Parabolic suspension gives a very comfortable ride, ensuring higher driver productivity. As downtime is the biggest cost for any transportation business, Eicher Pro 6046 delivers superior uptime through reliable and durable aggregates with higher component life, ensuring that the truck is always on the road and available to haul always. Advanced onboard diagnostics deliver fault indicators in the form of audio and video signals for preventive maintenance. 4-way engine protection system delivers engine protection and engine safety, ensuring low maintenance, long and synchronized oil drain intervals, and fully equipped Eicher's vast service network and innovative uptime center ensure that your truck is always available on the road. Eicher Pro 6046 provides more comfort and enhanced safety for the driver through AIS 029 crash tested cabin with blind spot mirrors for enhanced safety, and also an ergonomically designed cabin with cruise control, 6-way adjustable driver's seat, tilt and telescopic steering, and HVAC for fatigue-free longer drives. Intelligent driver information system to continuously guide the driver on the vehicle's operational parameters. With our lifetime support solutions, we ensure complete peace of mind and a seamless experience from the moment you consider buying an Eicher vehicle to the moment you think of selling it. Our offerings are all that you need to ensure that your business is profitable for life. In order to know more about our offerings, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or call Eicher Care at 1800 1023 531.